Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the waveguide cover in your microwave oven, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Use a plastic putty knife to help pry off the old waveguide cover if still intact. Install the new waveguide cover by carefully bending the cover enough to insert the tabs into the slots in the liner. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your microwave oven should be ready for use.